I was the first Damon Runyon Fellow to summit Mount Kilimanjaro on the Timmerman Traverse. We were a group of 20 or so biotech executives and workers that worked together to summit that mountain. That experience was something else. Like it was a team of people that were fighting through a really incredible challenge. Perhaps the best thing was when we all summited together as a team, and we got to the top of that mountain, and we could see the world, everything around us. You know, we were at the top, and that experience of getting there together after having worked so hard, even just to get to Africa and to start the trek, was extremely rewarding. I'll look back fondly on that experience for the rest of my life.
Thanks to the great support from Diamond Ruin Fellowship, I have the opportunity to start this project and using synthetic cell to study cell behaviors, including T-cell migration or T-cell cancer cell contact, and using these tools to explore novel ways for CAR T-cell therapies.
I was extremely excited to find out that I was named the Timmerman Traverse Fellow of Damon Runyon, and I knew that they had just done an expedition hiking Mount Kilimanjaro to fundraise for cancer research, and I thought it was the most fascinating venture. My work in the lab specifically focuses on how this mitochondrial DNA sometimes gets damaged or altered in some patients. And this causes a wide variety of diseases, mitochondrial diseases, and also cancer. When I actually got an invite to climb Mount Everest with Luke Timmerman and the team next year, I was so excited. It's one of my life dreams to go to base camp, but the most fun part will be to connect with all the leaders in the industry and to bridge the gap between academic science and the biotech and really form these meaningful connections and fundraise for cancer research for the future fellows.
You should do the Timmerman Traverse because it's more than just a hike. It's a community, it's an experience, and it's perhaps the best team building event that I've ever been a part of.
The reason why you should fundraise for Damon Runyon and specifically join this trek is because Damon Runyon is one of those rare cancer research foundations where all of the donations actually support cancer research, and not just cancer research, but high risk, high reward cancer research that is really life-changing for us as scientists because it allows us for the next 4 years to just focus on the work that we're doing and also allows us to do out-of-the-box research that other foundations might not always fund. This is high-risk stuff and it might not always work out, but when it does, it's going to be paradigm shifting.
I have to say the expedition to the Mount Everest is pretty challenging, both physically and mentally. By supporting this journey, you are investing scientists and researchers who are working together to create a world without cancer.
I want to extend the warmest thank you to everyone that's funded the climbers on the Timmerman Traverse. It has been a phenomenal experience that I think has changed my life.